Hey friends and artists, this is Khadija Yassine from USDA Organic. I'm just going to freestyle it. I don't have a tripod for my camera or anything. I was just mixing henna for all y'all, and this is like the most ridiculous, delicious, stringy batch of henna I've ever seen in my life. So I'm going to just catch a quick shot of that before I pack it for all y'all. Oh my God. No air pockets, no air bubbles. Oh, a few little lumps and bumps I still got to get out, but this is ridiculous. I've never seen henna like this. This is the 2019 USDA Organic new henna, and it is like, I don't know, I've never seen henna like this before. I'm so proud to be offering this henna. Holy moly. I'm going to get back to you guys with a better video and like a steady camera and everything. But look at that. It's just like hanging there. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to make a better video after I mix it some more. But I just wanted to do like a freestyle video. Okay, I hope everyone's having an awesome henna season. Remember, just because it's winter, it does not mean henna season's over. Every season is henna season. Talk to you later.